Hi everyone. I am going to share to you all how I edit my video to post on YouTube using iMovie. Click ko yan. By the way, ang iMovie, if you have iPad, Apple iPad, it will be free as long as it's iPad. Click the plus and then click the movie, and then this is just an example for you all. I have this video I took the other day with my boys. So I'm gonna select that one. Bruce is having a swing with Colt on the park. So I'll make sure that I put here like this, slide and then play. Now because I choose that one, so for me either I add title. So example, I add title, so son and dad dad bonding bonding. So this is just an example, and I can either stop it and then choose either lower or so this one is center. Example, I'm going to lower it so that looks like. Now if I want to change the filters, I'll just choose like this, like that. So it's up to you. Now I just want to sample, or I will off the volume, turn off, so wala nang voice, but I just want to leave it like it should be. And then if I want to speed up, it looks funny, but now I'll just put it where it should. If I decide to split it, I click the action and split, or either detach audio or duplicate. So this is very easy because I want also to attach some photos while my video is playing. So here it goes. Click the photos and then click OK, and then choose any picture that you can think of. So find this photo very sweet. So instead of click the plus, I instead click this three dot here, then select picture in picture, see, and then let's see what it looks like. Now because it's covering their face, I want it to move. I'm gonna move it, drag down just here, then I'm gonna click because I don't want any white stuff like this. I want to remove the white stuff, so click ko yung dito, this one, and like that. And if you want to zoom in, pinch the zoom in, itatouch up na lang siya and it will look like that. Now we're gonna play it again. Isn't that gorgeous? Or I'm going to select any color if I want. No, I prefer the natural one. So yeah, let's go back to the natural and play that one. Yeah, gorgeous. Now I wanna add another photo. This is just all an example. Let's see with Colton on the swing. So I'm gonna add that same, but now I'm going to add its split screen. Let's do this. and that will it looks like. And see, I'm gonna play it.
Hey Colt, Daddy do a big swing?
See that? But let's see this one. That one is not really nice, so I'm gonna do this. So just like that.
Daddy do a big swing?
So really, this is really good. And then also you can put a title if you want. And I will put it lower like that.
Hey Colt, Daddy do a big swing?
Gorgeous, isn't it? And then to make it bigger like that. And
Colt, Daddy do a big swing?
see, it's very easy. And then if I want to cut this video again, I'll just take an action and split. And then if I want to delete this one or remove it, I'll just click the delete. It's like a bin, and then ta-da! See? And then if you're happy with that, if you finish everything, like you put all your intro and all the project that you've been creating, then you just click the done, and then make sure to click the on the middle and select save video, and then always choose the HD 720 or HD 1080p, because when you upload that, your video looks really nice, clear. And then click that one, make sure exporting movie, and once you see this, the movie was exported to your photo library, we click OK, and then go back to the main, and then go to photos, and let's see if our project are there. There you go. My project is there. That is called the Daddy on the Switch. It's beautiful, isn't it?
Hey Colt, Daddy do a big swing?
Very clear because I clicked the 720p. And then once I've done that, I'm just gonna upload it on my YouTube. And that's it, really. Go to your YouTube and upload it. And then you can, choose what title you like. And I hope this video tutorial about the iMovie apps is giving you ideas of how to use this app. So good luck and enjoy editing your movie using iMovie apps. Thank you very much. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button. See ya. Bye.